How to transfer crypto from Blockfi to Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer crypto or withdraw crypto from Blockfi to Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you'll have to make sure that you are eligible for withdrawal. Once you make sure, you want to simply open up your Blockfi app or account, and then you want to tap on the dashboard option, where after that you'll be able to see the withdraw option. Now you can see the withdraw option right here on the screen. You'll get a similar interface. Tap on withdraw, and then you want to select the particular address or particular crypto that you wish to withdraw, and then once you select the particular asset that you wish to withdraw, what you want to do is now you want to head over to your particular wallet. You want to transfer the Coinbase wallet, so you want to open up Coinbase wallet and get the Coinbase wallet address. Once you get the address, you want to enter it there on the Blockfi where it says select your wallet address. You want to paste the Bitcoin wallet, you want to paste the Coinbase wallet address there, and once you do so, what you want to do is now you want to go ahead through the prompts and you'll be able to make the withdrawal. So this way you can transfer crypto from Blockfi to Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.